great interaction with everyone from the media team who have graciously accepted our invitation to come. We have given an array of food and drinks from all across. We have a very global cuisine. It's a mixture of Indian food, Pan Asian, some wood-fired, authentic Neapolitan pizzas. Our cocktails are something which we have worked really hard upon. There are a lot of different concoctions which we have tried, and we say that we probably have the best cocktails in the city. So the menu is not restricted to any cuisine in particular. As you know, this is an all-day restaurant which beautifully turns into a high-energy bar in the night. And when we say that, it means we are not leaving no stone unturned. It's a global cuisine where there is everything from Chinese, North Indian, Pan Asian, and Italian as well.
So, as the name suggests, a lot of the drinks. We are and will be one of the best in the cities with our concoctions for cocktails as well as non-alcoholic cocktails. So we have, since we are in the summer season, we have a lot of cocktails which have a lot of summer berries in them. For example, we have a cocktail called as Aam Candy, which has the flavor of Aam, the mango. And we have other cocktails such as MC Scan, which is going to be very unique for the city, which the city has never seen before. And coming to the mocktails, which are the non-alcoholic beverages, for people who do not drink alcohol, we have array of mocktails which will surprise each and every one. We have a few mocktails such as Lord Chaska, which has orange flavor, our in-house masala and kafir lime. So which is going to be something new for the city, and I hope everyone enjoys it.